Hey guys, just a little video here showing how you adapt the Dust Boot mod automated with your ATC into Fusion. Now I have Fusion here loaded. This is uh, the free version, and I have a little cube here that I'm going to be doing a demo on. The files that you need to get everything up and working are you have to get the Tim Patterson Fusion 360 batch post processor. Download this code, and it shows you how to load it in as a script and create it. Just follow the instructions once you download that. The other files that you'll need are the ones that Cheesy Popcorn left on his CNC page on GitHub, which offer the post processor for Fusion. And I also added the one on Discord, which is the modded version. This is the one that you use in if your dock is in the Y position in picking up. The one that I had modded is in the X position to pick up, the direction that it's being picked up. And how you set that up on your machine is by using the G28 and G30 commands. Um, if this were the dust boot in general, this pink area is the G30 command. So right as the magnets touch this edge of, if this were the dust boot here, you want to get it set right over the magnets equally in the dock. And then you would issue a G30.1 command, and it will save that for the location to pick up the dust boot. The G28 command is used for the topmost position above it, but centered. So you raise your spindle all the way up to the topmost position from center after you get the magnets located, and you type in G28.1, and that saves your center position, your retracted full height position, so that you can use it along with like Fusion. Once you get those files installed, and you have something here like Fusion, and you got your tools numbered. I got this tool in T1, which is tool 1, which is a normal quarter-inch end mill, and then a chamfer bit for the edges. You will go up, and you can see here there's a little process post all. And when you click on that, once you get it installed, it'll give you this output, this post process all little menu, and you want to tell it where you want the G-code file to be stored. You have to edit this section here, G-code for tool change. You have to put the M6, G30, and G28 command in there, and this is usually defaulted with an M9 in here, which you can remove. And for the post processor, you choose the post processor either that you downloaded from Cheesy with the Y position, or the one that I had posted on Discord, which is modded. This is the modded one. Cheesy's is just dust boot. And you'll load that up, save it as a default, and once you're done and save that, you will have a folder that or a file that looks like oh, excuse me. We'll open that up. Let's see, where is it here? There it is. And as you can see, this is the setup 1 of 1 NC. This is the G-code that just made by the cube that I told it with all the information. It still has your start code here, which is normal for everything, G90, 94, 17, if you're in millimeters, or 21. But it adds in the unload dust shoe. It does start with the position of the dust shoe being loaded. It unloads it first, then loads your tool, then loads the dust shoe, and then starts a spindle. And you can see the parameters in here it uses, which is the X28. It all uses, it says here, G28 Z0 must be set for the fully retracted. That's the top height position that your spindle can go up before it hits the end stops by setting with G28.1. And then the G30, which is the center position where the magnets are touching each other to pick up the dust boot. I have it using moving in the X direction positive 28 millimeters, and moving back 3 millimeters to engage the magnets. And that's how this looks. I'll go back to the Fusion folder here and just do a little simulation to show you what the machine's going to do before I go over to the machine and run the job on a scrap piece of wood, just to show you how the dust boot loads automated and then picks up the tools and everything. So it should do that, and then does the chamfer. Everything looks good, and I'm going to move over to the machine and do a little demo of it. I'll see you there.